Hey guys, my name is Elle and welcome back to my travel diary. I last posted the video to my channel quite some time ago, but now I am hoping that I could upload videos on a weekly basis like before. I brought my 15-year-old sister to Japan for a holiday and showed her some of Tokyo's must-see places. We went to Enoshima among the other locations. From Tokyo, a day trip on this island is perfect. We took the train from Odakyu Noborita Station, also known as the Doraemon Theme Station, to Katase Enoshima Station. We arrived past afternoon at Katase Enoshima Station, and as we walked to the island, we learned that we could take a ferry to Iwaya Cave, which is located at the end of the island. We're going to ride the ferry. It's time to explore. Mount Fuji right there. Weather is so nice. It's not humid, it's not hot, and it's so warm. When we got off the ferry, we explored the island on foot. While some were just resting and enjoying the view of the great Mount Fuji, others were fishing. Enoshima is one of the places where you can see Mount Fuji. Though this was my third visit to the island, this was the first time Mount Fuji showed up, which made our day trip extra special. We decided not to go to Iwaya Cave, so we made our way to explore the other parts of the island. The entrance fee to the cave is 500 yen for adults and 200 yen for kids. However, if you're not going to take the ferry, I recommend buying the Enoshima one-day ticket, which is relatively cheaper. The one-day ticket lets you visit the Cocking Garden, ascend the sea candle for a fantastic panoramic view, utilize the escalator rather than the stairs, and see the Iwaya Caves. We enjoyed lunch at this restaurant, which is one of several on the island that provide delicious Japanese cuisine with a spectacular view. After eating, now we have to go up. A lot of stairs here. We're going to the Bell of Love. As we were walking to the Sea Candle, we passed by some intriguing shops, but this cafe was exceptional. They offer both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks as well as Australian beef pie. An Australian-Japanese couple owns the establishment. You can play darts as well as kendama, a traditional Japanese toy, for free. If you're also into calligraphy, there's a corner for you. We're going to the Sea Candle. We're going up to the outdoor deck. I will now share with you the most enjoyable activity we did in Enoshima. I wanted my sister to experience a hot spring, but I knew that there was a pool in this spa, so we brought our swimming wear. First, we washed and soaked our exhausted bodies in a hot spring, then we went to the swimming pool area, where we stayed for a few hours. Although it was raining a little bit, the warm water of the pool allowed us to swim while watching the stunning Mount Fuji. Eno Spa seems more attractive at night, although it was a Saturday, but Eno Spa was not overcrowded at all. So that was our half-day trip to Enoshima Island. If you have sufficient time, you can also visit Kamakura from Enoshima. I guess Enoshima Island, along with Kusatsu Onsen and Okinawa, is one of the places in Japan that I will never get tired of visiting over and over again.